Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to optimize your Shopify products pages for Google SEO in 2024. So today we're going to explore how to optimize your Shopify products pages for Google SEO in 2024. Of course, effective SEO practices can significantly improve your products pages, visibility, and search engine results, driving more organic traffic and boosting sales. So let's dive into the steps to optimize your Shopify products page for better SEO performance, and let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, go to this URL section. Basically, just type shopify.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into the home screen or main screen. Here, click on login if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, click on start free trial. Of course, you can use Google if you don't want to go through all the more steps of creating or even logging in into your account. If you just created your account, you'll even have to go and create like a store. You basically have to answer some questions. If you don't want to answer them, you can click on skip all and your store will be created and it's going to be up for 3 days if you are on your free trial, unless you go and pay for a plan. Then, of course, the store will be inactive after 3 days. So, the first thing that you'll need to do to begin, conduct through some keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your potential customers are using to search for a product like yours. You can use tools like Google Keywords Planner. There's Ahrefs and SEMrush as an example. Those are the three tools that I know to find some relevant keywords with a good balance to search some volume and competition. You can focus on long tail keywords that are specific for your products for better targeting. So, example, I'm just going to use Google like keyword. So, planner here, I'll just go and hit that, go to this, and simply go to Google Keyword Planner. That's all I need in here. And basically here, I'll just go to the Google Keyword Planner, go and discover new ones. For example, enter products or services closely related to your business. So example, I'll just go and type t-shirts and click on get results. Of course, you can enter sites to filter some unrelated keywords if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. Then click on see results. So here, as an example, I'll just wait a bit. So, and here you'll find the keywords that, as you can see, average monthly searches. So t-shirts, as an example. So t-shirts person as example. I'll just make it better. So t-shirts personnalisé. Of course, this is in French for some reason. Of course, you can even download the keywords ideas here. Yeah. Okay, this language I'll have to change it into English. And yeah, Google. Of course, you can even look for other partners. You can change like the location from country, from your country example to another country, whatever you want. And yeah, I changed things to English. Yeah, it should be good. Of course, you can download the keywords ideas whenever you want, if you want something like that. As an example, the best it seems like here. I'll just go and put it from the best to the worst. So, example, the best ones it seems like shirts, Casablanca t-shirts, tight shirts, shirts with t-shirts, polo shirts, example, oversized shirts, palm extra, and as you can see, 3 month change, yo change, competition. It's all low, it seems. So top of the page example, top of the page bid as example, it's just $2. It's kind of nothing. So basically, as you can see, you can get keywords from here, not just t-shirt, like anything about what you want. Maybe you sell in some, I don't know, some LED as an example. Maybe not t-shirts anymore. Click on get results and we'll see what we'll get. So example like LED lights, ring lights, a lot of things here that you can get as an example. And of course, once you get those keywords, it's time, as example, to optimize your product titles by incorporating your primary keywords and ensure that your product titles are clear, descriptive, and include the main keywords at the beginning. So, example, if we go here to Shopify, go to this list panel, of course, we'll have to access our products and go to each product one by one. So, example, this t-shirts. I'll just go and click on that. And it's time to change the title of it to one of the keywords that is, it has a lot of average searches. Because as an example, if we go down here, we'll find this SEO engine, like just will show you how it's going to look like. So, example, this is how it's going to look like for this exact one. So our awesome t-shirts and 70 characters or less. So title, instead of example t-shirts, I'll let this as a title, as title just t-shirts. Description, I'll use AI tool. So I'll just type here t-shirts. Tone, all this experts. Of course, you can add more instructions. Use emojis as example. Here, click on generate. It'll generate something for me. Maybe I don't like experts. I'll like playful here. Click on keep. Oh, sorry. Playful, as we said. So here, t-shirt like that. Playful. So use emojis, as we said, and click on generate. So yeah, maybe this one. I'll click on keep. Remove this one. So like that. And yeah, it seems good, as you can see. Here, that's just variants if you want to add some variants. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like in my search engine. Of course, you can edit how it's going to look like on the search engine, like the page title. As example, I'll just put like custom t-shirts. So t-shirts like that. Of course, you can add a description for it. You can even use AI for that. So AI will not help you because you can, of course, use ChatGPT and enter the description that you want. So create your custom, t-shirts now, and gets it like done within a minute. Example. So just go and fix that. So like that, and it should be good to go. So yeah, it looks good. URL handle, you can change it to whatever you want. Maybe I'll just let it here like t-shirt. For the URL, you cannot change this, of course, until you change the URL of your store. You can create a URL redirect to that. Yeah, why not? Once you finish all of that, click on save. And this should optimize your Shopify products pages for Google SEO. Make sure to do this for every product that you have, and you should be good to go. So this is gonna be it for me today. For some additional information, you can like improve like the page load speed of your store, optimize the URL slugs, add some customer reviews and rating, improve or implement like schema markup, build some internal external links, and yeah, that should be some additional tips that you can look for by your own, because it will take a lot of time to go through them one by one. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.